With coronavirus infections in Spain now the highest in Europe, the country's central government announced it was stepping in.
This is a new and coordinated public health action with very important measures at this point in the pandemic in relation to particular territories in our country that meet certain criteria and with some linked measures to these territories.
The territory in question, the Madrid region, with infections now at well over twice the national rate, pushing the government to toughen up a partial lockdown. Crossing municipal boundaries will now only be allowed for work, school, medical reasons or shopping, with leisure activities outside the city off limits. Bars and restaurants will see capacity reduced and close at 11 p.m. Public parks and playgrounds are closed too, and social gatherings will be restricted to 6 people. The measures only apply under 3 conditions: over 500 cases of COVID-19 per 100,000 inhabitants in the previous 2 weeks, 35% of intensive care beds used by COVID-19 patients, and positive results in at least 10% of nasal swabs. Madrid fills all of these along with 9 other areas in the region, sparking fears the country's beleaguered economy is about to take another massive hit.
We just work with the terrace because the inside is only 35 meters in length. Taking away the last days of summer, when we only work with the terrace, would mean failure for our business.
There's still political fighting against the measures, though, with 5 Spanish regions, including Madrid, voting against the measures in the first place, even as government spending in an effort to relieve the economy rises to unseen heights, leaving the nation's debt-to-GDP ratio on course to hit over 115% by the end of the year.